Hi guys, so it's your girl Celine again, and in this video, like I said earlier, I will be sharing with you how my flooring is going. You all know I had a council house some few months after I got here due to my situation. Okay, so I've been renovating it bit by bit. If you follow my channel, you will see how it was previously, how it became, and how it's going to be now. I thought of changing the flooring because of my newborn. So if you want to see how I go about it and the things I'm going to buy and so on, please stay with me. So if you have been following me, you would definitely know how my council house is. And after I had the little one, I thought of renewing the flooring. I really want to get it done properly so that when he starts to crawl, it wouldn't be a problem. So I'll be going to B&Q. Heard B&Q so many times in my videos, and therefore today I'm going there. So come with me, guys. Let's go and see what I'm going to pick for the flooring and how it's going to be. So this is B&Q. I will be considering a lot of things before I make a choice of the color because I want it to look so beautiful. So let's go and see how the whole place is. And so if you're also getting a new place and you're looking for stuff, B&Q is basically things in the house. You can get apparently everything here, and I think it's affordable. So let's go and check what you can get in B&Q whilst also choosing the tiling or the flooring for my council house. So you can apparently find everything. Like I said, B&Q is if you want to decorate your place or renovate your house, things you can find from flowers to So I got to where the tiling and the stuff for flooring are. So I'm going to check what's available and make a choice. So come with me, let's have a look at what's available, the tiles and so on, and then see which one will be okay for us. So these are some of the samples they have. This looks nice. It looks nice. I think I decided to go for the wooden one, like the laminates, what they call the laminates, because I like it. I just like it. So these are racks also I saw around, but let's see what I can find. These are some of the samples they have, and these they look nice actually. So let's see some of them. So they have so many displays around that you can actually see what it looks like. So it actually helps you for you to, oh, I like this. Okay, so I think I like this. Yeah, I think I like this. It looks so natural, and yeah, this is what I'm looking for. There were other ones that looked the same as the one that I saw. Yeah, and they all look nice actually. Initially I wanted to go with this one. I saw this before, but I changed my mind after seeing that one, the one I was talking about. It looks just like this. Yeah, so basically these are the things that they have, and I think I am going for that one, the one I saw. So I was looking for something natural, and I think I will opt for this one. Yes, yeah, that's what I'm going for, guys. So let's go and see. And there are some of the things that you can actually add. All right, these ones, of which this one, I think I'll be going for the white one, because brown and white will be looking very good. So these are the things I went for today. Okay, so I will just go and fix it, and then we will see how the outcome will look like. Basically, B&Q is like stuff for the house. So if you're having a new house, you just bought a house, or you move into a house, you want to renovate your place, B&Q is the place that they sell apparently everything that you can use for renovation. Okay, so if you're in the UK and you're looking for a place to buy stuff like that, then I'll say try B&Q, and you'll get everything for your house.